What is your view right now on China's overall economy and on Chinese equities?
On an absolute basis, China's economy is coming out of a trough after the Q4 removal of zero COVID. So China is on a path of recovery, Frank. It's going to be an incremental recovery, really driven by domestic consumption, very different from past rebounds in China, which have historically been driven by export-driven manufacturing, which is slowing as the global economy slows, as well as it's going to be less infrastructure intensive, less building intensive. So a little bit of a different type of recovery, which is why we think it'll be an incremental recovery over the course of 2023.
So you're mentioning export-focused manufacturing. How does the nearshoring efforts, not only here in the U.S., but in Europe, how does that impact the Chinese economy?
Well, I think the big headwind for Chinese manufacturing is less nearshoring, but more just lessening demand. You know, you've got a 60% chance of a recession in both the United States and Europe. And that means people are going to be very likely spending less. So it's more of that effect. In terms of nearshoring, it rolls off the lips, but it's very difficult to do. As well as there's really an environmental consequence to a lot of the manufacturing that China does. I just think there's no appetite for someone to have a rare earth processor in their town. I mean, raise your hand if you'd like to see that. I doubt it.
Yeah, I think a lot of towns would decline that option, very much so. We often talk about I can't get the words out today, Brendan. Bellwether stocks here on Worldwide Exchange. I think Alibaba counts as one for China. Reports in just about an hour from now. What's that report going to tell us about China overall? And what do you expect the company to say about its spin-off plans?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, Alibaba is an important company because it is so geared to that domestic consumption story. We've seen from JD.com that they mentioned that their Q2 merchandise sales is actually faster than Q1. So JD, a competitor, looking pretty good there. Baidu on Tuesday talked about advertising revenue picking up. Yesterday, we had Tencent talk about a domestic consumption recovery. So I think that bar is increasing for Alibaba in terms of it's so geared to this domestic consumption story. So really, you know, we're looking at revenue of almost 209 billion RMB, which is about just doing the math here, about just about 22 billion US. So
you're doing a lot of math. It's early. One last quick question.
I appreciate it.
I want to come full circle. We talked about Warren Buffett pivoting away from China. We talked about Michael Burry, according to 13Fs, kind of doubling down. Should the average investor pay attention to these moves by these big-time investors? Is there something we can learn very quickly from either one of them?
Well, I mean, Berkshire Hathaway is still a big stakeholder in the Chinese electric vehicle maker, BYD. So very, very successful position for them. So they're still heavily involved in China, as well as Berkshire Hathaway heavily geared to U.S. multinationals such as Apple, which derive more than 20% of their revenue. So it just shows diplomats from both the U.S. as well as from the China side need to get on an airplane, start talking to one another, because we have so much as investors globally to lose if this relationship continues to fray.